So most of AI tutorials focus on NVIDIA, but if you have an AMD card like mine, your computer might be running AI on a CPU by default, making your business automation slow and expensive. And the goal is to force the local model to run 100% on the GPU to get fast responses for scraping and content writing, for example. First step is to press the Windows key, type in env environment and click here, edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables. Over here under the system variables, click new and add a variable name and add a value of 1030. Click OK. You can see it here. Again, we go with the new. Now we will add the concurrency setting. This allows AI to handle multiple tasks at once, so like writing blog posts while simultaneously analyzing a website. So we will name this variable like this and add a value of 2. And this is it from environment variables. Click OK. So we need to completely restart our Ollama. So right click and restart it to update. Okay, I updated my Ollama and I will now quit it and run it again. You can close it. It will be in your system tray here. And press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the task manager. Go to performance. Now we will go back to command prompt CMD. I will open my web UI server. If you need to know how to install your local LLM, you can check it out here. And if you want to make it look good like ChatGPT, you can check out this video here. I will put the links in the description. I will now run my server. It's running, so we'll now open it in our Google Chrome browser. Okay, I will put it here and just type on your address this one, and it will open our GPT-OSS 20b that I installed earlier. And we will ask for some big article, for example, 500-word story about robot plumber, and hit send. And while it's working, we'll go over here and we will check out that our GPU is actually doing the business. You can see it's on 80%. We have a spike here in the CPU and we have a 500-word article running on a GPU. And as you can see, we are successfully utilizing GPU for our LLM, and it's beautiful. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. I'm planning on making lots of local LLM tools like a web scraper. So subscribe if you want to get notified about the updates. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.